Now we're going to do the question 3D. Before doing this, we see that this question involves sine -1 here of a function of u. How can we, if you don't remember the formula, we can use the chain rule to find it. Suppose, okay, in general, sine -1 of u, where u is a function of x. Let us define it as a function f of x here, right? This means the inverse function. This implies that if we take sine both sides, they'll be the same. Sine of the left-hand side, it will cancel with the inverse of sine here, which will be u of x. And the right-hand side becomes sine of f of x here. Therefore, if we take derivative both sides, which means that the derivative of this guy will be the derivative of the right-hand side. And the left-hand side becomes u prime of x. The right-hand side, this is sine of the composite function. Sine, derivative of sine, it will be cosine of f of x. And the chain rule tells us that we need to multiply with the derivative of f prime of x, right? F prime of x is definitely the derivative of sine primes, sine -1 primes here, right? Therefore, now let us eliminate to get the f prime of x here. Therefore, we have that f prime of x becomes u prime of x here divided by cosine f of x here. From trig relation, we know that cosine will be square root of 1 minus sine square f of x, okay? And sine of x here, as you can see here, it is u of x. Therefore, sine square of f of x here becomes u square. Therefore, we have the formula that this becomes u prime of x. Let me write it on top here. Right down here. It will be u prime of x divided by the denominator now becomes 1 minus u square of x, right? Therefore, in general, and the left-hand side here, f prime is nothing else but the derivative of sine inverse here, okay? This is how we prove the formula of this guy. Now, since we know the formula, sine inverse of any function u, where u is a function of x, becomes u prime, let us write it this way, divided by 1 minus u square, right? Okay, keep that formula, memorize it. Now we apply it to our problems. Okay, so we want to compute the derivative of f prime here, the left-hand side. It becomes the derivative of the right-hand side, which is sine inverse of x plus 1 here, derivative plus natural log of cosine of x, derivative. We remember that natural log of u prime, it will be u prime over u, right? Therefore, this guy becomes u in this case is x minus 1, x plus 1 here. Therefore, the derivative of sine inverse of x minus 1 becomes derivative of x plus 1 here, divided by square root of 1 minus u square, in this case is x plus 1 square. Okay, and natural log, derivative of natural log of cosine x here, cosine x play a role of u in this case. Therefore, It is? That is right. Cosine prime derivative by divided by cosine. So let us simplify it. X plus 1 prime here is 1. You're right. 1 minus x squared plus 1. X plus 1 squared. Sorry. And here, derivative of cosine gives us negative sign. And here, there is cosine. You can leave it this way, or you can change it to negative tangent. That's it.